Welcome. We got a package. We got a pack from Lidrig. Let's go. What we got? Sticky mag pads. Smaller size, even smaller size. Next, the Lidrig. If you know, you know. And if you don't, you should. Now for the grand finale. The Mag Box Pro. The Big Johnson, Big Cheese, whatever you want to call it. That's what it is. Boom. These bad boys are completely magnetic. And these are your landing pads. First streamers, your big whites. And the next are small whites. The next one, big black. Behind that, obviously, you need your small black. And brown. And very last, brown and yellow. And that's sexual. Thank you, Lidrig. You guys are awesome. The products that you guys are putting out are beyond top tier. Good looking out.